Hello children, in this video I am going to explain grade 10 mathematics chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. The remaining concepts in previous video we have learned how to solve by graphical method. Now we are going to learn how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variable by using algebraic method. Algebraic method of solving. Here we have three methods. In that, first one is elimination by substitution method, second one elimination by equating the coefficient method, and the third one is cross multiplication method. This cross multiplication method is deleted from the syllabus, so let us discuss the first two methods. First one, elimination by substitution method. The first step is here. First step for solving a pair of linear equation by substitution method is to solve one equation either of the variables. So here we can choose any equation and that can be taken, one variable can be written in the form of other variables, in the terms of other variables, and that will be substituted in other equation, and then we will get the value of the second variable also. So by using one equation you will get the value of one variable that will be substituted in the second equation. Then you will get the value of the single variable, and by substituting that value in other equation you will get the value of other variable also. For example, see, if you see the example then you can understand well. See here a pair of linear equation is given, x plus y is equals to 16 and x minus y is equals to 4. So to solve this, first we are taking from first equation we are considering x in the terms of y. So how can you write x is equals to 16 minus y? X is equals to 16 minus y. Now substitute this x is equal to 16 minus y in second equation. What is second equation? X minus y is equal to 4. In the place of x we have to substitute 16 minus y. So 16 minus y, this minus y is as it is equal to 4. Minus y becomes minus 2y is equals to 4 minus 16. Minus 2y is equals to minus 12. Y is equals to 6. So here y is equals to 6. We got the value of one variable. How can you get the value of x here? By substituting this y is equal to 6 in any of the equation. So if we substitute in first equation x plus y means 6 is equal to 16. From this x is equals to 16 minus 6 which is equals to 10. So what is the solution of given pair of linear equation? X is equals to 10 and y is equals to 6 is the solution for the given pair of linear equation. So in this way we have to find the solution by using substitution method. Substitution means considering the value of one variable in terms of other variable and substituting that in other equation, and then you will get the value of one variable. By substituting this in other equation you can get the value of other variable also. This is about the first method, that is substitution method. And then the finding, see here x is equals to 10. Now second method, elimination method. Elimination method, here we will eliminate one variable. To eliminate one variable, the important thing is we have to equate the coefficients of that variable. Then they will be eliminated. Equate the non-zero constant of any variable by multiplying the constants of the same variable in both equations with other equation, so that the resultant constant of one variable in both equations become equal. Subtract one equation from another to eliminate a variable and find the value of that variable. Solve the remaining variable by putting the value of one solved variable. See, look at this example. Solve x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 3. So here we have decided to eliminate the variable y. So what we have to do, we should equate the numerical coefficients of y variable. Here 2 is there and here 3 is there. So what is the common multiple? 6 you can take. So to get 6 here you have to multiply first equation with 3. All the terms are to be multiplied, not only the y term, we need to multiply all the terms. So 3 minus, see directly if you multiply with minus 3 then both the coefficients will be same. Minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 2y minus 6y is equals to minus 3 into 5 minus 15. Here to equate this minus 3y to minus 6y, you have to multiply with 2, because 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So multiply all the terms with 2. 2 2s 4x, 2 into minus 3 minus 6y is equal to 2 3 6. Now we have to subtract these two equations. 3x minus 6y minus is equal to minus 15 minus 4x minus 6y is equal to 6. While subtracting, the symbols will change. So this plus 4x will become minus 4x, minus 6y will become plus 6y, plus 6 will become minus 6. Minus 3x minus 4x is minus 7x. Minus 6y plus 6y got cancelled. Minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. So what is the equation we got here? Minus 7x is equals to minus 21. By solving that, x is equal to minus minus cancelled, x is equal to 21 by 7, that is 3. So we got the value of one variable, x is equal to 3. To get the other variable, you have to substitute this x is equal to 3 in any of the equations. Let us substitute in first equation. 3 plus 2y is equals to 5. 2y is equals to 5 minus 3, which is 2. 2y is equal to 2. From that, y is equals to 2 by 2, which is 1. So the value of y is 1. So in this way, by eliminating one variable, we will get the value of one variable first, another variable. And by substituting that in any of the equation, you can get the value of the eliminated variable also. So this is the second method of solving the equation by algebraic method. Now the next concept is equations reducible to linear equations. So here is the question, here is an example. Solve the pair of linear equations 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. So we have to solve these equations. First of all, they are not in the general form of a linear equation in two variables. So first we have to bring them into the general form. For that, what we have to do, see here, 2 by root x, which is 2 into 1 by root x, 2 into 1 by root x, and 3 by root y means 3 into 1 by root y. Here also 4 into 1 by root x and minus 9 into 1 by root y. So 1 by root x and 1 by root y are common in both the equations. So let us consider that 1 by root x as p and 1 by root y as q. Then the equations will be changed as like this. 2p plus 3q. 2 into 1 by root x, that is 2p, plus 3 into 1 by root y, that is 3q, is equals to 2. And second equation, 4 into 1 by root x is 4p, minus 9 into 1 by root y is 9q is equals to minus 1. So now they are changed into the form of a general form of pair of linear equations in two variable. Now we can solve them by using any method, either algebraic method or substitution method. So here we have solve them by using elimination method. See, for that what we have to do, let us equate the p numerical coefficients of p here. So in first equation 2p is there and in second equation it is 4p. So let us change this 2p as 4p by multiplying equation 1 with 2. Then 2p plus 6q is equals to 4 and write the second equation as it is. 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. By subtracting, here the symbols will change, minus, plus and then plus. So 4p minus 4p got cancelled. 6q plus 9q is 15q. 4 plus 1 is 5. So q is equals to 1 by 3. By substituting q is equal to 1 by 3 in third equation, see, 4p plus 6 into 1 by 3 is equal to 4. From that, 4p is equals to 2. P is equals to 1 by 2. So we got the value of p and q both. But what we have considered p as, p is equal to 1 by root x, that is equals to 1 by 2. So from this, by cross multiplication, root x is equals to 2. Then x is equals to 4. By squaring on both sides, we will get the value of x as 4. And q is equals to 1 by root y, that is minus 1 is equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means root y is equals to 3, then y is equals to 9. So the solution is 4, x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 9. And then Next example, 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 1 by 4, 3 by x minus 4y is equals to 2 by 3. So here only one fraction which is 1 by x is there. So let us consider it as p. Then how the equations will be changed as 4p plus 3y is equals to 14 and 3p minus 4y is equals to 23. 4, so by writing in the general form, 4p plus 3y minus 14 is equal to 0. This is first equation. And 3p minus 4y minus 23 is equals to 0, which is the second equation. So to solve them by elimination method, multiply first equation with 3. Equation 1 with 3 and equation 2 with 4. For what? For making the numerical coefficient of p as 12. So because the common multiple for 4 and 3 is 12, so if you get 12 in as both the numerical coefficients, they will get cancelled. That is why. So first equation into 3, then what it will become? 12y plus 12p plus 9y, multiplying all the terms with 3. And second equation, all the terms are multiplied with 4. Now by subtracting, the symbols will change: minus, minus, plus and plus. So plus 12p minus 12p got cancelled. 9 plus 16, 25, y is equals to 92 minus 42, 50, minus 50. Then y is equals to minus 2. Substituting this y is equals to minus 2 in equation in third equation, 12p plus 9 into minus 2 is equals to minus 42. 12p minus 18 is equals to minus 42. From that p is equal to 5. So if p is equals to 5, we have considered that p as 1 by x. So 1 by x is equals to 1 by 5 and y is equals to minus 2. From that x is equals to, what will be the value of x? X is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 2 are the solution for the given pair of linear equation.